uNtanzi is in jail and Uzama is questioning ukuthi baba, why would you go and shoot uMakhumalo kwakhe? uNtanzi does not regret anything. He says the only thing he regrets is that he couldn't kill her. Uzama noPhinda are trying by all means to get him out, but kuyala. Uzama meets with Sanele and threats fly. Ngapha uMbongeni swears ukuthi he's going to kill uNtanzi ngezandla zakhe. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on iThonga. uNtanzi is in prison. Usejele ke ubanjiwe for shooting uMakhumalo. He was caught red-handed. So nje amaqala akhe maningi kabi. Uzama is shocked ukuthi baba, why would you go to her house uyomdubula kwakhe? Mina I thought usizohlala nje plan kahle njengomndeni and come up with a plan that will use ukuthi simhe kahle and just kill her kahle angacabanga ngalutho. Baba khathi I thought ukuthi uyamzonda uMakhumalo. Athi yes ngiyamzonda, but the way you did it was not on. And bukabheka manje you hear, and uNtanzi does not regret doing that, saying ukuthi the only thing he regrets is that he couldn't kill her even though he had a gun in his hand. Akazange amdubula enough to die, and lo muntu lo ubulala umfowakhe. So Uzama was like, so now you believe she's the one that poisoned us? Athi ya ngiyakholwa ubulala umfowethu lo muntu aqeda wangenza islima. Now Uzama is like, I need to get you out of here, because uNtanzi is speaking as if he's giving up. Ukuthi Uzama must take care of the family business, take care of their wealth, but Uzama wants to get him out. uMbongeni furious, wants to kill uNtanzi ngezandla zakhe, but uSanele is like, please ungajahi, don't do things hastily. Ukubulala uNtanzi ngeke kuzokusiza ngalutho. So uNtanzi already was held, uboshiwe la with a gun in his hand, edubula uMakhumalo. He's gonna go away for a very long time. Athi yazi nje I can't nje ngifuna umbulale ngezandla zami mina uNtanzi. The family is devastated because it's said to not have Makhumalo around, and uMahlopa zathi yazi angaze ngayimagine impilo ngaphandle kwakhe. I know we always fight, but nje, and then uyenda naye yazi she's just shaken ukuthi uma wakhe akekho, athi ufisa ngathi uNtanzi can rot in jail. uSanele uthi ningawari, amalanga kaNtanzi avaliwe, uzofika lakhe, he's going to pay for what he did to our mother. Manje Uzama noPhinda they're trying by all means to get uNtanzi out of jail, but uPhinda uthi hey yazi akuyala man, I think the situation is more complicated than we thought, and kunzima nje. Ngapha uma wabo naye is busy going on ukuthi how would uNtanzi adubula uMakhumalo. I thought ukuthi angamfela nje. They looked very happy, these people. And then uSanele meets Uzama on the way, and the threats fly, busy bathembisana ukuthi ulibambe ulungashoni. uSanele athi yazini ubabakho lento ayenzile nizoyikhokha one by one. Athi wena you just pray ukuthi ubaba angaphumi ejele, because the minute is out, you're next, uzolanda wena uqobo lakho anibulale nonke bakaMagwaza. So you better nilibambe lingashoni because uzoniqeda nonke. Athi yazini sizayithola revenge yethu for what you did to my family, and ngeke nje kuphele kanjalo. Hayi yazini the way Uzama is so bold, busy phikisana noSanele, you didn't think ukuthi ubaba wakhe esejele for shooting his mom. And then Uzama is trying by all means to get ubabake out, even talking to Shabalala. Shabalala is like, izandla zakhe ziboshiwe, his hands are tied, there's nothing he can do. Like case kaNtanzi, like bayibheke ngolokhozi, and there's nothing he can do. Uzama feels ukuthi because now baba uboshiwe, you're not doing anything, busy udlala, he's been giving you money and blah blah blah. Azathi Shabalala, wena if you're in my shoes, what will you do? Yini ongayenza differently nkosazana? Tell me. Uzama naye stuck. What can she do? Apha uMbali wants to help uLungelo study so he can become a doctor. uLungelo does not even want to study. But Ulethu makes things difficult because he's busy judging him, saying ukuthi uLungelo uyivila, ujwayele ukuspoon foodiwa, and njengekaza amounted to nothing. Kanti uLungelo is listening, and then he comes out athi yazi ngiyakuzwa sisi wami, you've got faith in me. But ngiyamuzwa noLethu ukuthi nje akakholeli kumina at all. Ucabanga ukuthi nje ngisihluleki. uMbali was not happy about what he said because it's not nice ukuthi discourage umntwana. And then uLungelo says ukuthi yazini uLethu we are right man, because he was busy like struggling with the answers. As uLethu we are right man, ngiyislima nje mina, ngiyoyibela nje umuntu odakayo like la endaweni. And then then Umbali decided to go and tell Ulethu to get off, saying as when selfish kabi. How could you speak to your brother like this? Ubhutomjani vele wena onje umbhizi umgceka instead of encouraging him. And then now Ulungele has gone back to drinking. Ubhizi uhleli tavern drinking nabangani bakhe. Umbali tries to speak some sense into him, but it's like yazi ngiyayibona ifudumalo yakho. But nje mina ngi-right khona la. Goes back to sit with his friends and says, yazi nayo into engibhora ngumndeni wami. Qambukele endabeni zami. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.